So at this point, is it fair to say that the strongest case seems to be the unexplained wealth, the mismatch between the SALN and the financial transactions?
Tingin ko yan na po yung pinakamabigat. No? Actually, almost of equal weight din siyempre yung confidential funds misuse kasi clear din po yung basis po nung ano doon nung finding po doon ano. Pero ito talaga mabigat po yan kasi nakakalula ho talaga yung bilang. Nung pong 6.7 billion total transactions, 1.5 billion inflows. Actually, kahit palitin pa natin yung investment-related activity, 200 to 300 million yung pinag-uusapan. So, at any lens no, na pag-usapan ho natin, sobrang layo pa rin ho nun sa 88 million po na fixed target na present net worth.
What about the fact that was it served on the board or was director of a company whilst she was a public official?
Side issues na lang ho yun. Siyempre, may ibang, ano pa ho yun, may ibang problema po yun. Kasi nga, supposedly, nag-divest siya. Diyan po sa kumpanya na yan, di ba? While she was, while serving as vice president. Tapos siyempre, meron din yung issue na she said na stockholder siya, pero when we check the the GIS of the company, hindi naman siya nakalista doon, di ba? So parang she probably perjured herself there or the company perjured. Pero side issues na lang po yan eh. Ang talaga naman pong naipakita kahapon, convincingly, merong sobrang perang malaki. Tapos ito lang ho yung actual na makita nila bilang mag-asawa at yung kanila pong mga kumpanya.
Do you foresee needing to at some point subpoena the bank records because that's a little bit legally contentious, hindi po ba? So do you think you'll need those records to make the case for this, to make probable cause established?
No, I think we will get to that point in trial na po.
Sa trial na. You have enough. You have enough material, you think?
So I think, for example, Senator Trillanes naman has the bank account numbers. So we can do a random subpoena request para dun sa mga accounts po na yun para makita namin yung kung talaga nga bang within the 2019 and 2024 periods, wala ba talagang pera dun sa mga bangko na yun.
Feeling ko you're
We
gonna...
will do that in trial, I'm sure.
Oh, so wait for that in trial, not at this point of not at this part of the process. Okay.